Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you see error on your iPhone, this accessory is not supported by this device. So how you can fix it and why you see this error. So first thing you need to try, if you have another cable, just try to use another cable for charging your iPhone. If you haven't, just tap on settings, just find here general and just tap on general. In the general you just scroll down to shutdown, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So if restarting your iPhone uh, doesn't help you, so you can also try another way. So just go to the general again in the settings and just find here software update. Just wait until it will check for updates, and if you have available updates you just need to download and install them on your iPhone. So if it doesn't help you too, you can also try another way. So just try to clean your charging port. So just make sure it is cleaned, and you just need to try to clean it. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.